Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to understand about the record types in Salesforce. So here, if you have learned about the page layouts in Salesforce, then in the page layout, we have understood after creating the multiple page layout, we need to assign them to the different profiles. Now, for example, we have created page layout A, B and C. And after that, we have assigned page layout A to the system administrator. Now, what if the system administrator also want to use page layout B and C? In that case, what we need to do? Again, we need to navigate to the page layout assignment. Then we need to select the particular profile and there we need to change which page layout they want to see or they want to use. Now, instead of changing the page layout assignment again and again, how it would be? We will have the pop-up window and there whenever any user want to create new record, when they will click the create button and then the pop-up window will open, there they can see the page layouts and after that whatever the page layouts they want to use they can click it and then create the record. So here it can be happened using the record types in Salesforce. So to understand the record types in Salesforce, first you need to understand the page layouts, multiple page layouts and then page layout assignment. The video link I will provide in the description box, you can go through it so that when you will understand the page layout in Salesforce, then this record types video, it will be very easy to understand you. So in this video, we are going to understand about what are the record types, why we need to create them, how we can use the record types, and then how we can assign the page layouts to the record types in Salesforce. So for that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Now, before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce Geekers. Recently, we have launched our Salesforce admin course. So here, as you visit to our SalesforceFAQs.com website, here you will see the courses. Here we have the Salesforce admin training course, then the Agentforce training course, and then we will also have the Join Pro bundle. As you navigate to the courses, so here you can see here we have the year-end sales where you will get the Salesforce training course bundle with the 50% off. And also as you scroll down, here you will see the courses that we have created. In that we have the Salesforce admin training course, Agentforce training course, and then complete training course bundle in which you will have the Salesforce admin training course with the Agentforce course. So if you want to enroll for these courses, you can click on this enroll now button. And also if you want to know more about these courses, you can click read more button. There we have added the course content and then the feature of these courses. Now coming back to our topic. Now here first we will understand why we need to create record types in Salesforce so that it will be very easy to understand what are the record types in Salesforce. So the record types in Salesforce allows us to create multiple variation of records for the same object. So let's understand this using the example. So in previous video we have created two page layouts, one for the schools and then another for the college. So these both page layouts is used to store the information about the students. First one is for the schools and another one is for the colleges. And for each type the fields and page layout might be different. So let me show you. Here you can see, here we created college layout and then school layout. In the student layout, we have all the fields that we have in the college and school layout. And from this layout, we have divided the fields as per the requirement for the school and the colleges. So now, why we need to create record types in Salesforce? So again, let me explain who didn't see in the last video. So for that, here I am navigating to the Salesforce Classic. And then as I click on this new button, here you can see. So this page layout I have created for the college students because here you can see as I click on this course stream, here you will see all the streams which are in the colleges. And after that, here we also have the CGPA. Now I want to open the school layout. For that, as I click on this cancel and again as I click on new, but here you can see as I click on new button, again the college layout get open. Let me cancel this. So now to open the school layout, what I need to do? Again, let me navigate to the page layouts, then page layout assignment. After that, select the profile you have assigned. So I have assigned the system administrator. Let me click on edit assignment. Again select the system administrator, and then page layout to use. Here we need to select school layout and then click on save. Again navigate to the record page, and now as I click on new button, now this time the school layout has been opened. Here you can see select subject. As I click on this, math, science, history and geography. Now understand the needs of record types in Salesforce. So basically whenever we fill in the form, every time we need to change the page layout from the page layout assignment for the assigned profile. And instead of that, let me cancel this. As I click on new button, and at that time the pop-up window will open and there will be the options school layout, college layout and then student layout, which is standard layout. From there we will select any option, and as we click on OK button, that type of page layout will be get open. So this will be the very helpful and easy to create record according to the different page layout or different sections. So for that we will create different record types and assign the page layout accordingly. So first let's navigate to the student object, and now as you scroll down, here you can see here we have one option which is record types. As you click on it, currently we don't have any record type, and now the first record type we will create for the student layout. So for that, here I am clicking on new button. After that, in the first step we need to enter the details, and then here you can see existing record type. So here we need to select master, then record type label. So here I am providing student type, or you can provide label as per your requirement. Then as I click on this record type name, it will be automatically populated. Then provide the description. There you can give short intro about this record types, and this one is optional. After that, scroll down, and now here you can see here we have profile names. Now here we need to select for which profiles we want to make this record type available. So here you can select as per your requirement. Here I have selected all the profiles. If you don't want to give access for any profile, what you can do? Simply uncheck this and then click on save or next. So here I am selecting all of this. That means for all these profiles the record type will be available, and then click on next. Now here we need to assign the page layout. Now we have three page layouts. First one is the student, another one is the school, and then third one is the college. Then scroll down, and now here you can see here we have two options: apply one layout to all profiles and then apply a different layout for each profile. So first let me explain apply one layout to all profiles. Now as you click on this select page layout, here we have three page layouts. Now firstly we are going to create record type for the student layout. So here I am selecting this one, and now here you can see in this record type for all profiles the student layout has been selected. Then as I click on this apply different layout for each profile, now from here you can select different layout for each profile. So let me show you. For analytics cloud security user, as I click on this drop down, from here I have selected college layout. Now after saving this record type, and when I logged in with analytics cloud security user and then click on new button on the student object, what will happen? After clicking on new button, the pop-up will be open, and there we will have student type as a record type name, and there when we select the student type as a record type, then click on OK. After that, only for these profile users the college layout will be get open. Then rest of these all the profiles, when we click on the new button and select the student type, after that the student layout will be get open, or student page layout will be get open. Now let me select apply one layout to all profiles, and from here let me select student layout and then click on save. Now here you can see here we have one option Picklist available for editing. So this one I will explain in the upcoming videos. Firstly, let's see how we can create different types of record type. So now here we created record type which is student type, and this one is active. Now we need to create record type for the school and colleges. So for that, again click on record types, again click on new. Now in the existing record type, as you click on this, here you can see here we have student type that we created. Now provide the record type label. Now here I am providing college student. record type name will be automatically populate, and then here we need to make it active. Again scroll down, and now again here we need to select profiles for which we want to make this record type available. Which record type? This one, college students. So here I want to make available for the system administrator, and then for the reception, which is the custom profile that I created, and then simply click on next. Again here we need to select page layout. So we created the record types for the college layout, and now click on save. Again click on record types, again click on new. In the existing record type, again select the student type, provide the record type label for the school students. Again check this checkbox to make it active, and here again I am selecting for the system administrator and then reception profile, and then click on next. Again select page layout. So here I am selecting school layout, and then click on save. Now as I click on this record type, and now here we have three record types. First one is for the student layout, which is student type. Then another one is for the school layout, which is school students, and then third one is for the college layout, which is college students. Now here also we have the page layout assignment. As I click on it, here you can see the page layout assignment will be open. Again in the master, here you can see for the master record types we have selected student layout. As I scroll down, before we have changed the page layout for the reception and then the Salesforce or system administrator. Here you can see for the system administrator, here we have selected school layout, and then for the reception also we have selected school layout. So here for the master record type we need to select the student layout. So here I am clicking on edit assignment. Now here we need to select the school layout from the master record type. So here I am clicking on school layout. Again for the reception, school layout. Again scroll up, and now page layout to use. From here we need to change from the school layout to the student layout, and then click on save. Let's check it. Here you can see now for the system administrator and the reception, for the master record type the student layout has been successfully assigned. Now let's navigate to the student tab where we will create the new student. So let me refresh this. Now as I click on this new button, here you can see in the classic, here we have drop down option. As I click on this drop down, college students, school students, and then student type. Now I want to create record for the college student. So here I am selecting this one, and then as I click on this continue button, and at this time here you can see the CGPA and core stream, the fields that we added in the college layout has been opened. That means after selecting the college students and click on continue, the college layout has been opened. Let me cancel this one. Again as I click on new, this time I want to select school students, then click on continue. Again here you can see the select subject and then last year percentage field. That means the open form is the school layout. Again as I cancel this, click on new, and this time here I am selecting student type and then click on continue, and now here you can see all fields that we created has been displayed over here. So let's check in the Salesforce Lightning experience. So here I am clicking on switch to Lightning experience. Let me close this one. As I click on students, then click on new, and here you can see, so here we have options to select. As I select college students and then click on next, the college student layout has been opened. So this is the use of record type in Salesforce, where we can assign the created page layout to the record types, and using the record type it will be very easy which page layout we want to use. I hope you have understood whatever I explained. Keep learning. So I hope whatever I explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever you post a new video, you will get an update. Thank you.